What if the only thing standing between you and what you want is one word? That word is ask. How to get whatever you want. That's the title of today's notes. And here's what the notes say. Ask. That's it. End of notes. Now, if there's one art in life worth learning extremely well, it's the art of asking. Because the formula is staggering. It says, ask and ye shall receive. A person ought to look into that. Section 1. What does ask really mean? So what does ask mean? It means, what do you want? Not what you don't want, not what you're avoiding. What do you want? See, you've got to be more than a good worker. You've got to be a good asker. A lot of people work hard every day, but they never ask clearly for anything. Good worker, poor asker. That needs to change. Section 2. Asking starts a unique process, mental and emotional. I don't even know how it works. All I know is, it works. It's like pushing a button and suddenly all this machinery starts moving. You don't need to know how everything works. Some people study the roots forever. Others are busy picking the fruit. Asking is the beginning of receiving, so start the process. Section 3. Receiving is automatic. Now, if that's true, then receiving is not the problem. So what is the problem? Failure to ask. Someone says, I worked hard all year, but there's not a single piece of paper with my goals written on it. Again, good worker, poor asker. That needs to change. Section 4. There is plenty. Here's number 3. There is plenty. Success is not in short supply. It's not rationed. You didn't step up to the window and they said, sorry, it's all gone. No, it's like an ocean. And if that's true, here's the problem. Some people go to the ocean with a teaspoon. A teaspoon. What you want to do, considering the size of the ocean, is trade your teaspoon for at least a bucket. You'll look better down at the ocean too. Kids won't make fun of you. Now, there are 2 ways to ask, and we'll wrap this up. 1. Ask with intelligence. Don't mumble. Be clear. Be specific. Ask questions like, how much? How soon? What size? What color? How wide? How high? Define what you want. Describe what you want. Because goals become like magnets, and the clearer they are, the stronger they pull you. 2. Ask with faith. This is the childish part. Believe you can get what you want like a child. Adults are too skeptical. So the real formula is this. Make plans like an adult and believe in them like a child. Try it for 90 days. Just try it. You can always go back to the old way later.